Hi, I'm Chris Barcelo, Service Operations Manager here at Competition Subaru of Smithtown. Whether you're here for a scheduled visit or a no appointment necessary express visit, it all starts right here in our service drive. Follow me. When you pull up to one of our automatic garage doors, they'll open by proximity, inviting you into our facility. Once inside, our service valets will greet you, and shortly after, one of our factory-trained service advisors will meet you at your vehicle. Our service department features a spacious, well-equipped shop where factory-trained technicians using state-of-the-art tools and original Subaru parts ensure your vehicle's safety and reliability. And we stand behind these parts. Did you know that most are warranted for 1 year with unlimited mileage, which can even include labor when the repairs are performed here? Speak to one of your service advisors for more details. Further, while waiting, you can enjoy our luxurious lounge, complete with complimentary tea, coffee, snacks, and high-speed Wi-Fi. At Competition Subaru, what sets us apart is our commitment to exceptional service. Our team is here to provide honesty, respect, and transparency in everything that we do. We know that your Subaru is built to last, and we want to offer a relationship that lasts even longer and onto your next Subaru. So thank you so much for trusting us with your service needs, and we look forward to welcoming you in person.